Hello everyone. We have been learning the number of tutorials for the case of a hydrological analysis, and for that the ultimate target is to calculate the watershed delineation area. So what is watershed? So let's just have a quick look. Watershed is the upslope area that contributes flow generally water to a common outlet as concentrated drainage. Okay, for example, if here is the outlet point, then through this all network that you can see over here, if the water is coming to this outlet from this area covering all the boundary over here, then this is what we call the watershed for this specific outlet point. Okay, so we are going to see how we can compute this area in the ArcGIS Pro, and for that you can just simply go here and you need to have some data set prepared, so you can go and watch two videos previously for uh, from DM to how to calculate flow direction, and as well as how to calculate this snap power point. So here is a point, this is my snap power point up to which I'm going to calculate how much area is going to cover for uh, contributing the water to this outlet, right? So you can just have a look like at this point the water is coming from this way, water is coming from this way, all are accumulating and finally coming into this point converging. So yeah, this is what we are going to see, like how much area is going to cover from this watershed analysis, right? So for that you have to go to analysis and open your geoprocessing tool. For that I will just click on the tools, and over here you have to go to toolbox, and under the toolbox, okay, under the toolbox you can just go down to the spatial analyst. Under this analyst, spatial analyst, you will find hydrology, and under this hydrology you can just go to watershed. Okay, click here, and as it is, as I said earlier, you will require flow direction as the input and also the pour point. Okay, so what we can do is you can select the flow direction DM. If you are not aware of how to calculate this flow direction, then I will recommend to go and watch the flow direction data for sorry flow direction tutorial that I have made previously. You can find in the same playlist that you have been watching, and then you need to select the snap powerpoint. So I'm going to select this snap powerpoint, which is in the raster form. I prefer the raster form, and you can select on the basis of which field that you want to calculate. For example, for now I'm just going for the value. So after that you can just go and rename your file. I'm just giving the name as watershed. Once you set this information, you simply go and hit the run. Okay, once you click on the run, it will take few seconds, I think, depending on the area and depending on the resolution of the dataset that you are working on. Then finally you will get a watershed, that is the area covering coverage that contribute to provide water and flows towards this point. Okay, see, yeah. So don't get confused over here like why it is cutting like this, because the flow direction datasets that I used for this tutorial was of very small area coverage, that's why it is like that. Otherwise it will go up and up to, like, it will cover this area and it will keep on going up to whatever be the starting point of your watershed. Okay, so yeah, this is how you can compute the watershed, and this is in the raster form. If you want to convert this raster form into a polygon, then you can simply go to uh, data management tool, and I think there is some conversion tool. Is it the one? No, sorry, it's a conversion tool, and from here you have to go to, like, uh, from raster. Where is raster? From raster, and over here you will find this raster to polygon tool, and you just go and select this watershed and rename based on whatever is required for you. For example, I am just writing watershed underscore poly, so that it will be understandable. And you can always go and check the simplify polygons, or if you don't want to check this simple polygon, simplify polygon, then you can just check it out. The only thing is, if you do not simplify the polygon, then it will be in this exact shape. So or if you click this, then it will just generalize the straight line. Okay, that is the difference. So I'm just going to simplify the polygon, and I will just go and hit the run, and it will take just a minute. Okay, not even a minute. So yeah, you can see here. Yeah, so it is generalized, right? So this is the area coverage based on the data set that I have. So it is called, what we have been talking about, that is watershed. So this area you can see over here, this all area covers the watershed. So yeah, that's all for today, and thank you so much for watching.